just want to give you a demonstration of Easy, EZY.ai. Well, for 30 years, Google has dominated the search category with its blue links. And just last year, Google introduced AI answers. Just here, a little AI overview. And why is that? Because ChatGPT just now overtook Google in usage in America. More people are now using ChatGPT every single day than they're using Google. So the question everybody's asking is, how do I get found in these answers? Well, first of all, you need to have highly authoritative domains like these guys with great reviews. But here's something that you can do, and the reason why we built Easy.ai. First of all, enter your website here. I'm going to use Easy because it's simple, it's our website, but just enter your own website there. And what we're going to do, we're going to create these prompts for you, and we're going to create these answers for you automatically. So Easy.ai is now searching through your entire website. It's going to look at every single letter, page, script, and it's going to look on the World Wide Web, on Reddit, on Wikipedia, and see what people say about you and how your sentiment is online. And then it's going to create the prompts, as you can see here. Now, here are prompts that Easy will create for your business. So let's have a quick look at one of them. Can I track the future trends of AI interfaces to improve my website's AI search? Well, I would love for Easy to appear for that. So we just create the answer. This is the answer that you'd want to see on ChatGPT. You can click on citations to see if your business is found. There's an answer there on Tech Radar. You can edit all of these prompts. You can add to them. But this is the basis of how Easy.ai works. Now, this is your Easy visibility dashboard. It's the first AEO answer engine optimization dashboard I've seen where every single piece of information is in one place that you can easily see. Now, all of these widgets need to be actioned. What you want is all of them green. We do have a lot more widgets on another version, but for example, let's have a look at your robots file or our robots file. First of all, it detects all of the issues for you, and simply you just press generate optimize solution. Let's have a look at llms.txt. You don't need to worry exactly about what it is if you don't know it, if you're not very tech savvy, but it will create a file for you to put onto your website to allow LLMs to look at your website a bit easier. Now, some of this, some people say you need, some people say you don't, but what a lot of people will not argue with is schema. Schema is needed on every single one of your web pages. Now, you can imagine how long this would take to do across your entire website. Easy does it for you automatically. It looks at every single web page and creates all of the schema with all of the classifications, all of the subcategories, everything for you. You can edit it, of course. You can choose what you do upload and what you don't upload. You can select, and with one click of a button, you can connect Easy to your website and upload all of your schema. Exactly the same for your meta descriptions. Look, 14 pages with issues. We just generate meta descriptions, and now we can just watch Easy run through and create all of these brand new meta descriptions, which are better than the existing meta descriptions, and you can select which ones to upload, which ones not to upload. You can imagine how long this would take to do all of this. The key is that we use a deterministic layer on top of LLMs to make sure that everything we suggest is accurate. We create blogs for you, and we look at your existing sentiment online and what people say about you, and also what your existing website says. Now, as you can see, this doesn't look like AI slop. It's just created with the same sentiment as the rest of your blogs. All of these excerpts, all of these meta descriptions and schema are created with an 80 to 100% SEO score. You can save it or leave it and come back later. This entire page dynamically updates in real time. So if I want to look at our Reddit presence, I can see if we appear on Reddit. This is the first AEO platform I've seen that actually looks at Reddit and gives accurate answers. And we can even generate for you a recommended post and suggest something, but you've got to make sure you check all of this and change it and add everything you want to yourself. Another thing that we look at is domains, high authority domains in your area and your industry. And we obviously look at competitors of yours and map them. And over time, we check every single agent that visits your website, from Cloud to Perplexity to Grok. And we give you an EZY.ai visibility score. And over time, as a function of time, this will change, and hopefully your prompts you will see increase. That's a very, very rough overview. All of these things we've spent an inordinate amount of time looking at and working out if this should be done. We have extremely intelligent deep learning, NLP, AI specialists working at Easy.ai to ensure that all of these are needed. There are many more widgets like Grokpedia, like Trustpilot reviews, but they're on another version. So I just wanted to show you this and give you a quick introduction to Easy.ai, which will hopefully improve your AI visibility.